I was scrolling through TikTok the other day, before it gets banned. I thought, why not enjoy it while I can? As I scrolled, one video stopped me in my tracks. It wasn't just any video, it was a cat. And this cat wasn't doing regular cat things. It was cooking, riding a bicycle, and doing all kinds of creative, crazy stuff. This video kept showing up on my feed over and over. I could not ignore it. So I clicked on the account, and wow, I was hooked. The account had millions of views. And I found out it's part of TikTok's creativity program. They're earning thousands of dollars just by posting these videos. I could not stop myself, I kept watching. Each video was more interesting than the last. Then I noticed something in their bio, a link. Above it said, "Do you want to create videos like this?" That's when it hit me, this is something huge. So curiosity got the best of me. I clicked on the link in the bio, and it took me to a browser page. What I saw blew my mind. This guy is actually charging money to teach people how to make videos like his. I decided to buy his course. And here is the exciting part. Once I go through it, I'll share with you step by step how you can make videos like this too. It's a paid course and I bought it right away. But here is where I made a mistake. I forgot that TikTok might be banned soon. So I started thinking, what's the next best option? I went straight to YouTube and searched for channels making similar videos. And guess what? I found 1 to 2 channels doing the same thing. These videos are pulling in good views, even on YouTube. If TikTok gets banned, do not worry, we've got YouTube Shorts. You can still earn money, and I'll show you how. The course I bought, it taught me that videos like this can earn thousands of dollars through TikTok's creativity program and YouTube monetization. The creator shared that his videos get millions and millions of views. I am going to teach you everything I learned from this course, step by step. So stay tuned, because I am going to show you exactly how to make videos like this and start earning. Before we get started, let me share something exciting with you. If you are tired of spending hours making long videos and not getting the views you want on YouTube, TikTok, or Instagram, this tool is just what you need. It's called Nexus Clip, and it's a total game changer. With this amazing AI tool, you can easily turn your long videos into short, catchy ones that get more views. You can also add automatic subtitles with just one click to make your video stand out even more. And here is the best part. Once you've edited your video, just click the share button to download it. Nexus Clip will even create the title, description, and category for you. No extra effort is needed. You can directly upload your shorts or TikToks without even opening those apps. This tool makes everything so easy and fast. Now that you know about Nexus Clip, let's get started with today's video. So, here's the first step. He taught me the secret prompt. This prompt is a game changer. With it, we'll create image prompts using ChatGPT, and from there, we'll make stunning images. First, I opened ChatGPT and entered the exact prompt I got from the course. This is the same secret prompt shared by the creator. Do not worry, I'll make it super easy for you to use too. I've included the link in the description below so you can access it directly. Once you have the prompt, you can customize it however you like. Want a dog, a cat, or any other animal? Just tweak the prompt to fit your idea. It's simple. Paste the prompt into ChatGPT, hit enter, and voila, you'll get a unique image prompt ready to go. From here, we'll generate images and bring your ideas to life. To create videos like these, we need realistic images and sound effects. Here is how we'll do it. First, let's generate the images. Start by copying the prompt you've created in ChatGPT. Then, head over to Ideogram AI. Sign up and log in, it's super simple. Once you are in, you'll see a user-friendly interface. Paste your ChatGPT prompt into the generate box. Next, select the ratio as 9:16 for vertical videos. Choose the realistic model option and hit generate. Ideogram AI allows you to create up to 5 images at a time. If you need more options, you can also use other tools like Leonardo AI or Midjourney. These platforms are excellent for crafting high-quality, realistic visuals. Once the images are ready, it's time to add sound effects. We'll generate professional audio using AI tools. This will give your video that polished, professional look. And just like that, your images and sounds are ready to bring your creative ideas to life. Now, let's bring those images to life by turning them into a video. This will make your content look super realistic. For this, we'll use an amazing AI tool called Ideogram AI. Here is what you need to do. Go to Ideogram AI and click on the Create button. Drag and drop the images you generated from Ideogram into the tool. In the chat box, paste the same prompt you used to create the images. This helps keep everything consistent. Click Generate, and Ideogram AI will work its magic to transform those images into a seamless video. Once the video is ready, simply download it. And just like that, your video is one step closer to being complete. Now comes the most important step, creating sound effects. These sound effects will make your video truly come alive. Here is how we'll do it. Open ChatGPT and enter the simple sound effect prompt. The prompt will help you generate the perfect sound effects for your images. Once the prompt is ready, copy it. Log into your sound effect generator tool, the one from the course. Paste the prompt into the tool and click on the Generate Sound Effect option. The tool will create 5 to 6 sound effects for you to choose from. Listen to the sound effects and download the one you like best. Repeat the process with the next prompt, copying, pasting, and generating more sound effects. By following these steps, you'll learn how to generate both sound effects and images just like they teach in the course. Now, with half of our video ready, now it's time to edit the video using CapCut, a simple and powerful editing tool. But before we start, here's a quick request. The prompt we used in ChatGPT to create those amazing images is available for a small fee. Check the link in the description to get it. Now, let's jump into editing. First, open CapCut and drag your video into the timeline. Next, add sound effects to match your video. For example, if your video is about a cat, choose sound effects that fit the theme. Watch your video and adjust the sound effects for the best fit. Keep your video short, around 40 seconds, to boost its chances of going viral. Add smooth transitions and effects to enhance the flow and quality. Once the editing is complete, click the export button to save your video in high quality. Finally, upload it to platforms like YouTube, TikTok, or Instagram, and start earning money. Let's preview the final video and see how it turned out. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next one.